Hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Fee here with another video, and we can't have Black History Month without me doing some black owned businesses. So I'm going to be doing a makeup face, and I am using black owned businesses. Let's get into this video. So first things first, to save time, I've already done my foundation and my eyebrows. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hydro Longwear Foundation. This is in the shade 280. And I primed my face with the Fenty Beauty Matte Pro Wear Primer. I'm going to get into concealer, and the concealer that I'm using is a black owned business. It is Juuvia's Place. Juuvia's Place was created by Chichi Iburu. She wanted products to work with her complexion. She wanted products to celebrate black women. So she eventually, first she started with beauty tools, and then she got into making beauty products. Now, I know Juuvia's Place have had some controversy back in the day. Not sure if they are canceled or not, but I purchased this and I like it. So yeah. I really like the finish on this concealer. It looks really natural. You see that? How it just melts into the skin. That's why I like it. And when I purchased it, I completely forgot about all of the controversy that was going on. Sorry, I liked it, so I purchased it. Next, we're going to get into this eye look. I used the Ace Beauty palette. Did y'all know that this was black owned? I just found out thanks to Curl Talk Honesty. She got an Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette in her BoxyCharm box, and she noted that this was black owned, and I was like, say what? I got one. So if you did not know, this is by Naive Anikin Atang. I probably just ruined that whole thing, but she started with lashes, and now she carries eyeshadow palettes, lip liners, which I do have, and face palettes. So let's get into this eye look real quick. This is the eye palette that I have. It is called Scarlet Dust. Isn't that pretty? So real quick, let's get into this eye look. So first things first, I am going to start with my transition color using the color Shade. I'm going to pop that dead smack in the middle. Next, for my lid, I am using Sweet Sunset Rose. To add some more definition, I am going to go back to that shade and pop that right in the crease. Next, I'm going to add some hibiscus and pop that on my lid just to give my lid some shimmer. Now for my outer corner, I'm going to use this Nocturnal. Next, I'm going to take Aruba, add that to my inner corner. Like so, like that. And I'm also take that and put it on my waterline. Come on out. On my outer corner. Like so, like that. And that is the eyeshadow look. I'm gonna finish it up and I'll be right back. So off camera, I just set my face using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder. I use honey, and I went ahead and added some bronzer, a little matte bronzer. I don't do a lot of contouring. I just like to add some bronzer and warm up my face where I can. So I just added some bronzer, and now it is time for our next Black owned business, which is Mented Cosmetics. This is a blush. Mented was founded by KJ Miller and Amanda Johnson. They started because they could not find a nude lipstick to kind of go with their complexion. Now they have lipsticks, they have foundation, and blushes. The good thing about Mented, I didn't state where you can find these products, so let me back. The Juuvia's place, you can find at Ulta. Fenty, you can find at Sephora. Ace Beauty, you have to go to their website. And Mented, you can find at Target and at Ulta. So the shade that I have for this blush is Peach. Let's see if you can see. It's a peach shade, very pretty. Of course, okay, there we go. There we go. So that is the shade. Go ahead and pop this on. I really like this because I like a very natural blush. So this is contending with my favorite blush by Milani. These two, yeah. I like it a lot. Come on with these Black Beauty products. Got this face looking like this. Okay. You see me? You see me? Okay. Last thing that I have is for lips, and that is the lip bar, and the shade that I am using is Hot Mama, which, you know, it's fitting. You know what I'm saying? Could say Hot Grandma if it wanted to. But the lip bar, I'm pretty sure you guys heard of the lip bar, but the lip bar was created by Melissa Butler. She wanted to have beauty products that didn't have so many harmful ingredients in it. So she created a vegan lipstick, and that's what this is. What's popular, or was popular about the lip bar, is that Melissa took these products to Shark Tank. They basically laughed her off the TV and was like, oh, lipstick is not profitable. This is not really a real business. And soon after, Target picked her up. So, yeah, y'all gonna learn. And then how's beauty not a business? Have you not seen? Anyway, so this is that, and I actually posted this lip color in another video, but I like it. This goes on like a cream color, and it's so easy to apply. And that is it, y'all. That is my makeup look with black owned business products. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Get into this look. Give y'all some glam shots. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.